Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and hello if you're new. Welcome to my little cozy corner of YouTube. I'm super excited for today's video and I hope you guys are too. Today I want to talk about how to prep your skin before you apply your makeup. So if you guys want to know my tips, my tricks, and what products to use and all that good stuff, then definitely keep watching. Let's get into this video. I'm super excited because I've been wanting to do this video for quite some time now. If you're new here, I've been switching up how I do my makeup, how I prep my skin before my makeup, and I thought this would, hopefully this will be a helpful video for those of you out there who maybe you don't do these steps or maybe you don't even know where to start. So I wish someone would have told me and gave me this sort of information years ago, but you know, it is what it is. Back in my 20s, I didn't do any skin prep. I think I did sometimes wear a primer, but I pretty much just went in with my foundation, concealer, and that is it. Us gals and gents in our, 30s, 40s, we can't really get away with that anymore. And I know I personally can't, so I hope you will take something away from this video. I hope you find some helpful tips. So let me quit blabbing and let's get into this. So skin prep, what is it? What's it all about? Basically, it's just applying your skincare and your moisturizer and all those really good ingredients to really moisturize, plump your skin, and give it some hydration so that when you apply all of your cream products, your makeup over top, it's going to lay really nicely, it's going to look a lot better, and it's also going to even help it last throughout the day as well. I find that this has helped my skin so much. And now that I'm, in my mid-30s, I can't get away with just, throwing on a primer or just throwing on my foundation and that's it. Like, I have to put something on my skin. You need some sort of barrier between your skin and your makeup so that your makeup looks really nice. One thing to note that this is going to vary from person to person depending on your skin type, whether you're oily, combination, dry. So the first thing, of course, if you want to wash your face in the morning, definitely do so. And then I would start off with a toner. I really love this one from Andalou Naturals. It's the 1000 Roses Floral Toner. It's gentle on the skin, great if you're sensitive and dry, like myself. And what I like to do is just spray a little bit on a cotton pad. If I have any like dirt or anything on my skin, I feel like it just kind of cleanses the skin, preps it for the other products you're going to be putting over top. So if my skin is extra dry, especially we're moving into like fall, winter months especially, I always apply my hydrating essence from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is really great. This I would describe as a drink of water for your skin. All I do is put a few drops in my hand, rub it together, and just pat. Press it in, and this really just makes my skin feel so good. It's refreshing. There's hyaluronic acid in here. There's niacinamide. You can see already my skin's starting to look kind of glowy, a little bit dewy, and when I touch my skin, it's really bouncy. If you have the time, an essence is really fantastic, especially if you're really dry. I feel like it's made a huge difference in my skin. So moisturizer, this is super important. You want to seal in that toner, that essence. You want to just, keep it all in there, keep your skin happy throughout the day. I have a few that I would definitely recommend that I feel wear really nicely under makeup. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Happy Hydration Cream. This is a great one I would recommend if you're looking for something from the drugstore. I just love e.l.f. I think they have really great affordable skincare products that really do work and they're really nice. So if you're on a tight budget, I would go with this one. This is just a smaller sample. I think you can get this for about $5. Or if you want the full size, I think it's about 10 or 12 bucks. And this one has hemp oil in it. Really good, hydrating, feels nice on the skin. Another one of my favorites is the Andalou Natural 1000 Roses Beautiful Day Cream. You know how much I've raved about these products from Andalou, and this one is just amazing. It really makes my skin feel like a soft cloud. I I love it so much. It's really, really good. Love this underneath makeup. Such a good daytime moisturizer. This one I'm actually going to use today because it's something new and it's super heavy. It's from Derma E. It's their sensitive skin moisturizing cream. Now it does say you can use this morning and night. It's definitely kind of similar to the one from e.l.f., but this one definitely feels pretty luxurious. It's not too heavy on the skin. And I'm just going to pick a little bit up and just kind of dot this all over. This one's really nice because it's for sensitive skin, but it still has those anti-aging properties. This just feels really nice. It's a really nice moisturizer. I would definitely say that I do prefer my Andalou Naturals day cream, but this one is good as well. I just wanted to try something different. I did a little bit of a skincare haul on Instagram. If you check my Instagram stories, if you check my highlights on Instagram, where it says skincare, I did a little skincare haul if you guys want to check it out. If you wear concealer underneath your eyes, you should be applying an eye cream, and this definitely has made such a huge difference. My favorite one to wear underneath makeup is the e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream. I like this one because it's hydrating, yet it's not too thick or greasy. It's a nice creamy consistency. This is infused with caffeine. It also has vitamin E, and I really like it. If you're looking for a really good drugstore eye cream, this is a good one. And I think I applied a little too much. I'm just gonna smooth this out and just pat this in. I feel like an eye cream has really made a huge difference in how my concealer applies, how it wears throughout the day, and just really making sure again that that area is plump and hydrated and taken care of, because it's such a delicate, thin skin underneath your eyes and you really want to take care of it. So I used to not think that eye cream made a difference, but let me tell you what, it really does. All right, and then last but not least, everyone should be wearing a sunscreen, okay, folks? Sunscreen is super important. I have tried so many over the years, and it's been really hard finding one that doesn't break out my skin, but still gives me, you know, protection from the sun. This is from Andalou Naturals. It's their DIY Booster SPF 30 Facial Serum, and this is unscented. This is their anti-aging line, and I absolutely love this. You know what I love about this most is that it doesn't feel like a sunscreen. It actually feels like you're applying skincare. It's super moisturizing. I would not recommend this if you have oily skin. One thing I love about this is that it's so good underneath makeup. A lot of sunscreens, I find I have to be really careful because they can just be too greasy or a white cast, or sometimes they'll start peeling up, or what do you call that? Where it starts like peeling and balling up. Balling up, that's the word I'm looking for. Oh my god, can't talk today. But this just feels amazing. It literally feels like skincare. It doesn't feel like sunscreen, and I love it. I love this so much. It's so good. So that's pretty much it. That's all the prepping that I would do to my skin. Now you can see it's looking dewy, it's super moisturized, it feels fantastic. My skin is super happy right now, and it's ready for makeup. Now I would say give your skin at least the very minimum 10 minutes before you apply your makeup. That way you let everything sink into your skin. You don't want to go right away in with your makeup because sometimes things can slide around. You really want to give your skin a little bit of time to just chill out. I usually wait a good 15 minutes if I can. Pretty much, if I've applied all these products, I really don't need primer, but if you do need a good primer, I have a couple that I would recommend. If you want something very blurring to the skin, I would go with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This one is really great. It's very blurring. I know a lot of people love this. It's not my personal favorite, but again, if that's something you're looking for, this is a great drugstore dupe for the Tatcha. I believe it's the Silk Canvas Primer. You know, it's really nice. It does feel really silky on the skin if that's what you're looking for, to like blur. If you have very oily skin, you want to look for words like mattifying, oil control, things like that, oil absorbing. Look for products that are catered to your skin type. These are my two favorite primers of all time right now. They're my absolute favorite. So a good one that is a little bit more high end, but it's so worth it. I already I have a backup of this because this one's almost gone, but it's the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. This one is silicone free. It's really great, again, if you have dry skin. This feels like skincare. It doesn't feel like a primer. I love that there's a nice pump on here. Smells really good. That's a little added bonus. But this one is amazing. It's silicone free. It's got coconut water, and it's got like these skincare ingredients that really just prep your skin for your makeup, and it really makes a difference when I apply this before my foundation. It's just so good. I feel like this sells out so fast, and I think it's kind of limited edition, but I have a feeling e.l.f. will make this permanent because so many people rave about it. It's the Jelly Pop Dew Primer. I love a good dewy base, and if you love that super hydrated look, very dewy, glowy, I'm actually going to be using this one today, so I'll go ahead and just apply this. I usually do about 2 pumps. As you can see here, it's just a gel. You can see it's kind of running down my hand, and I'll just go like this, spread it out. It is really thick, so you want to kind of work quickly with it, but oh my god. Oh, and it smells so good. And I like to wait a few minutes, let it sink in for at least a minute before you go in with your foundation. My skin just feels like it just had a drink of water, and it feels fresh, and you see that dewy, ooh, that dewy glow. It's not like greasy, but it's dewy. I really love it. So that's everything, you guys. That's how I like to prep my skin before applying my makeup. It definitely helps so much. Even if it just helps a little bit, it's better than nothing. And it's good to get into a routine of taking good care of your skin anyways, no matter what your age is. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something or found something new, maybe, possibly, I don't know. But if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. And of course, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post on Tuesdays and Fridays, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time every single week. You can also find me on Instagram. All my links are down below, and I will go ahead and link all these products as well. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me today. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye.